Hey everyone, I'm Nina Zato with Sidewalker Daily, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about different Amazon storefronts and actually share my screen, walk you guys through it, and give you examples of other people's pages. I think one of the most important parts of being a creator is to not only create, but research, right? So a lot of people get stuck in the planning stage because they're like, what do I do? How do I build my storefront out? To which I say, let's go look at some pages, get inspired, and see, hey, if they can do it, I can do it too. Now, if you guys are interested in a video on how to set up your storefront and all things Amazon storefront, don't forget to watch this video after you watch today's, as it's going to walk you through everything you need to know about Amazon influencer and setting up your storefront. Now, before I share screen, I do want to say if you are an influencer or creator that's interested in these types of videos, please go ahead and like this video. Give it a like so that it lets me know, hey, Nina, create more videos on Amazon influencer storefronts or creating more about Amazon influencer program in general. So go ahead and like this video so that I know what you guys are looking for. All right, let's go jump into the screen shares. All right, everyone. So now what I want to go ahead and do and show you guys some examples of accounts that I think are doing really well, and also just show you how you can do this yourself when you are in the research phase of building out your Amazon storefront. So as you guys can see, I'm right here on the main Amazon Live page. And just like even having featured creators, this is Amazon kind of letting us know who's doing a good job and who isn't. And something you guys can always do as well is just head over to Instagram or TikTok or whichever platform you're on and type in the keyword. So type in Amazon influencer. And we're seeing all these creators right here, they have Amazon influencer in their bio. So they're populating for this keyword, which I just think, again, when you're starting off, it's important to kind of go in, look at other accounts, see, how people are promoting their pages, right? So this girl was one of the first pop-ups, Amazon Best Fashion and Finds. And you're now able to kind of see, just quickly how she story tells and how she creates. And I'm sure once you hit here, you're going to be able to go see all their pages. Okay, but let's go in and look at some examples of pages that I think are doing nicely. So one creator that we have been following on Instagram is Mercedes from the Calculated Opulence. And it's interesting because her page is very travel focused, but also heavily fashion focused, right? So like even though she is traveling and living a life of travel, she is very forward-facing with the products that she is wearing in her content. So I think when you go over and look at their shop, let's take a look from just like outsider, right? First of all, she has a really beautiful banner, travel, fashion, lifestyle. And again, these are the branding elements that you want to think about when you're putting your page together. She obviously has access here to her icons. And then let's take a look here, right? She has her curations, her idea lists. So these are just like my Bali packing list, my content creating essentials, stocking stuffers, swimsuits for all bodies. And this is interesting because she really has a variety of different lists together to make it easy for the person to go ahead and start shopping, right? Interestingly enough, also the way it works is she's posting lots of different photos. And again, once you click on a photo, the thing about Amazon is it's going to show you, okay, how do I shop the products in this photo? So she's really making it easy for you to be able to just shop this look. This is a look that you wanted to shop. Similarly with the video options, right? When you go in and start looking at certain videos, you're going to be able to link to different products that she's like, even just here, Amazon kitchen must-haves.
Amazon kitchen must-have. This compact and elevated air fryer can go.
So she's talking about this air fryer, and here's the air fryer. It's interesting because there's a variety and she has a lot, which I think is what makes her probably so successful in this space. Also, you're able to see the live streams of any creator, and the live streams, this is something that's very popular in the Amazon world. So you can go ahead and take a look the same way she has her different covers. And just it shows all the videos. Now, this is obviously for fashion. If we were going to go ahead, let's take a look at someone else that I've pulled up for us. So this is interesting. I wanted to show you guys this account. So AccuWeather, interestingly enough, is a weather app. And I think when we think Amazon influencer, we think you have to be, fashion beauty. This is a weather app, right? But it's interesting because they'll do the same thing. They have videos, right? They'll have certain live streams that they have presented. And it's products for weather tracking niche, so to speak, or how to keep your home safe, or space heaters and tape measures and all those type of things as well. So I wanted to show this example because it's not what you typically expect when you think of an influencer, but this is just a different example, like AccuWeather winter home prep. And they're using this as a way to monetize. Now, another example is Tastemade. I wanted to show you guys Tastemade. And look how cool, just briefly here, when you see these lives, people are able to go in and comment on the live. So there's something really fun about Amazon lives. And if you guys want me to do a video on that, make sure you comment and let me know. But let's take a look here at Tastemade, right? So Tastemade here says a global community of food, travel, and home design enthusiasts. So we're starting to see right on their Amazon page, you can see that they previously went live. Let's take a look at their idea lists. So they don't have as many idea lists as maybe what we saw from Mercedes from the Calculated Opulence, but they have a whole bunch of videos, right? So look at this. If you're going to go here and click slow cooker lasagna, they're not only giving the recipe, they're telling you these are the tools that we use to create this recipe. So this is great for any of my food creators that are already making this type of content, right? And again, I'm sure there's tons of different videos here that are going to show that. Same thing with the live streams. I believe Tastemade, they have a bunch of live streams. They just went live recently. So it looks like they go live quite often. And it kind of gives you that YouTube, almost thumbnail cover, right? And you can tell that this is an area that's really important to them. And again, just like any live stream, y'all, once you go ahead and click this live stream, you're going to be able to watch the live stream and then see all the products that were mentioned in the live stream. So it really takes like home shopping to a totally different level. Now, funny enough, I wanted to show this page. This is Nick Cannon's Amazon storefront. I didn't even know Nick Cannon had an Amazon storefront, but he has a show called The Weekly Cannon with Amazon Live, and he's making Amazon Lives, and he is doing his thing. It's almost kind of feels like a podcast in a way, and it feels like it's kind of doing podcasting in a very different way, right? Because you're getting the video, you're getting everything, but you're also getting the links to the product. So again, not that I think he's doing by any means an amazing job. I just wanted to show you guys that there is opportunity for everyone in every niche to be able to go in and create these sort of pages that are going to help you. And again, here's all the featured creators, so you guys can go in and take a look at some of the other accounts. Now, I wanted to show you guys two other accounts. This is Taking Care of Babies. She is a sleep consultant for like a toddler sleep. She's like a coach. She has a huge social media following, but I think it's interesting. She doesn't do the live streams, but she has a lot of lists. And I think you're starting to see, okay, well, nursery, swaddle, toddler books, potty training, right? And she has all the products bundled in. And because she has such a large social media following, I think she does a nice job at it. I also wanted to show you guys The Bump. The Bump is a big US-based, I believe, like magazine community for parenting pregnancy. And same thing, right? So they have the lives, they have the idea lists, they have the videos, right, of all the products. Here we go, push present rings, toys for 1-year-olds. And I think it's just like anything, the more you invest into building these pages out, the better. The one thing, like I said, is once you go on Instagram and you just look up that keyword, Amazon influencer, these are people who are really dedicating their content to products and reviews. So if this is something that is of interest to you, just go ahead and go in there and start seeing, okay, what are different people putting in their bios? How are people using Amazon effectively? Just kind of going in and doing that research. But I wanted to show you some of those pages that just based on pages we have seen, and also looking at other pages on Instagram as well as TikTok to give you guys ideas. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's a little bit different because it's very screen share centric. It's really showing examples. It's really walking you through different pages and seeing what is out there. If you guys like this style, tutorial style, where we're just kind of browsing together, let me know in the comments below. And make sure to check out the different playlists we have here at Sidewalker, whether you're looking to build your community, engagement, monetize, whatever it is, we have a playlist for you. We're all about helping creators. So go ahead and check out some of the videos that we have here on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.